everyone. Hello Gemini, how are you? So this is your career, business and money reading for August. So let's see what you have in August. The tarot cards are going to tell us. Just in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe if you do like what I do. And let's start. So it's Five of Rods. So I feel with this Five of Rods, it's like there may be some people in your home or your work situation who might not cooperate with you, Gemini. They might have conflicting views, or they create a conflicting situation for some of you here with Five of Rods. It could be a home situation, it could be a work situation, business situation, whatever you see here. Gemini. So Five of Rods, a conflict situation at work, partnership, home, business, whatever. Knight of Rods. So you are moving forward. You are inspirational, you are marching forward, you are you want to rush into things. You want to rush. You are very passionate about what you want to do. There's a passionate, very, very passionate energy, and you are trying to actually, first find out things, get more information regarding the job, partnership. You are reaching out to people for jobs, interviews, for partnership, for association, for collaboration. So this is the Nine of Rods here. Also, some of you could have publicity and fame. You here in some conferences or meetings. King of Pentacles. So some of you really working focused towards money, how to grow your money, how to make money, so working on the foundation for your family, investing in real estate, investing in bonds, investing in share market. Also money coming in for some of you here with King of Pentacles card, that that previous hard work that you have done. So for you, you are waiting for that money. That money is coming in August for some of you here. And I see growth, and there is growth and advancement in your career, in your business, in your dealings, in your associations, in your partnership. All is in that card. Just you need to be diplomatic a little, because you have that Five of Rods energy. So be diplomatic so that things will fall in place without much conflict, or conflict getting bigger. That is what I feel. Strength card. So I feel there is you need to use your head over. You don't have to get over emotional, over sensitive, but use logic, use your head over your heart. Kindness, compassion. This strength card talks about being kind and compassionate, also. It also tells that there is a strong Leo, some Leo person, who is going to enhance your knowledge, or who is going to help you with something this month, Gemini. And that whatever, maybe even if that it's an idea or a guidance, is going to help you move forward in your life. So there is someone Leo in your life here, with the Leo strength card here, I feel. Nine of Pentacles. So you have King of Pentacles, you have Nine of Pentacles. So if for you, I feel Gemini is money wise, it's not an it's a satisfactory situation for you. Satisfactory means you are satisfied, you are finding ways to grow your money, where you are putting it in some farms, or you are putting an investment on real estate, and you are putting it again as a share market, bonds. That is what the Pentacle card is about, growing your money in a grounded, earthy manner. And at times it's just that emotionally you feel a little lost. Emotionally you don't feel that great, maybe that is the thing. But as far as money is coming, you have and also money is getting you with Nine of Pentacles, name and fame. Yeah, so you are getting a promotion. Some of you might be put on, for a promotion in the due coming month, or or a raise because of the good work that you have done, Gemini. There could be communication coming from people regarding this raise or promotion that might come in the next month, or you getting the news now. King of Swords. So I feel you're very, very focused, very clear. Also, it's that some of you might be going through some legal issues in court, or you might meet a lawyer for some reason with this King of Swords. Also, you do not want any other. You want to cut down people or situations in your life which doesn't serve you anymore now. Here with this Nine of Swords, what I feel, so you are ready to cut down those situations which has been giving you no profit, or which is causing you stress, and people who are, maybe you are cutting down on your staff also if you have subordinates working for you. So because of this COVID-19, so much losses and everything, so some of you are just cutting down on your staff so that you can cut down your losses, if at all, or at least get a profit of what you are working for. Also, that is what some of you will be having a career, in the career in some of you are having a career in publishing. I mean, books or newspapers or anything that is related to even it could be an online publishing, reaching out to people also could be there through publishing. So that is what I get from this King of Swords. So let us see. King of Rods, King of Pentacles and King of Rods. So you're a visionary, you know what is needed to rise high, in your ladder, how to go up in the ladder of success with money, with career, with business. So it's a visionary, so very passionate energy. With King of Pentacles and King of Rods, you have, with Nine of Pentacles. I feel, Gemini, whatever you are trying to work in will get you a lot of success. Even emotionally, once you get this money, you will start feeling at the end of the month, you are going to feel that emotionally also happy, because here with King of Pentacles, you're working. With the Nine of Pentacles, you achieve everything. Then comes the King of, Rods. So very passionate energy, it's a visionary, kind, compassionate, taking care of everyone around them. So beautiful energy for Gemini this month, except that few conflicts you need to, also you need to go for a spiritual quest. I feel that, you need to take care of your health, you need to take, rescue in your spiritually, do some meditation, do some yoga, listen to calm music, relaxing music. Also believe in, be positive, and because whatever your thoughts, you become that slowly, you attract that. So just keep your thought very positive. Affirmation is a must, and focus, feeling positive and focus will get you whatever you are looking for in this month and coming months. So then this is now a card for these are handmade cards, because these are little slightly, and these are energized cards, and I'll just pick up one for you, Gemini. This is the guidance for the month, although there are so many things, but I will just pull up a guidance card for you for the month. So this is the angel card. So it's be strong enough to change your dreams into reality. So you need to be strong. There's a plain simple word. With the strength card, you also have the strength card, see. So be strong enough, whatever you have been dreaming in, whatever you're thinking of achieving, Gemini, whatever you're doing, be, be strong and be focused, and stay positive, and things are going, everything everything will manifest into reality. Your dreams will manifest into reality. This is what I feel. This is the theme of your month. So this is it, Gemini. Thank you. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. And as I'm a very new YouTube, I'm a very new on YouTube, so I want to thank all viewers and subscribers once again for taking the time out and watching my video. Please go through my playlist. And if you do like, watch, there are manifestation videos there, and also there are other things that you might like it, and I will keep posting such videos in weekly, monthlies. So thank you once again.